Good morning, everyone. I I did the thing where I set the stream up, but I used an old stream to just copy everything. And that stream was set to private, and I didn't realize till just now. So it might take a minute for people to show up, if anyone feels like showing up. Bitcoin's pumping. Coinbase pumping. A microphone. Ding 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 ding. Mm. I got this thing. Oh, let's see if I can get this to work. All right, it's Monday. Monday. Back to that weekly grind. At least Bitcoin's up. The week grind, I guess, is easier when Bitcoin's up. We're pushing all-time highs. A ding a ding ding. All right. A ding a ding ding. Let's see what's going on in the stock market. Talking about crypto. Talking about the chart. This unbelievable chart. You will not believe what this says for Bitcoin. Oh, excuse me. We're ending Puma season. The end of Puma season's coming. I don't know how I feel about that, to be honest. I'm tired of being cold all the time, but I'm not really looking forward to being hot as balls all the time. And then my energy bill being like 700-800 a month. You heard me correctly. It used to be like the summer, like 5 years ago. A bad energy bill in the summer would be, I don't know, like 290. I bet I pushed 700 this year because of the scam known as PG&E, Pacific Gas and Electric in California. All right, but uh, you know. All right, Bitcoin now falling below 72,000. It was above 72. The high, as I'm obsessed with all my window placements. It's breaking out of the bull pennant. I guess you can call this a bull pennant, but the flag is so big that I don't know that you can, or just a pennant. It's above all SMAs, and it is broken out. Now, there's this thing called validation and invalidation and all this stuff that still has to happen. I'm telling you, technical analysis scam. All right, like I said, it reached a high, or like I was alluding to, 72.7. Holy shit. That's pushing all-time highs. All-time high 73,777. Yeah, 73. We were $1,000 away from all-time highs today. Are you not entertained? Cardano over 60 cents. Charles did a video this weekend on Hydra. I started watching it, but it was way too boring. A lot of the same stuff. Oh, everyone's lying about Cardano. And here's all the proof that we're still working on Hydra. And then a bunch of technical mumbo jumbo and governance and peer review papers. Blah, 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 blah. All the same stuff. BitBoy did a video this weekend. Ada is dead. I kind of watched it like I was doing something else as I listened to it in the background because I wanted to see what he had to say. He didn't. I don't recall him saying anything that wasn't false. I mean, I'm not a fan of BitBoy, but it was obviously a massive clickbait title. But I don't think he said anything that was wrong. And then Charles is like posting a tweet. Oh, I thought me and BitBoy were friends. Did you even watch the video, Charles? First of all, You're smart enough to know the clickbait game. Favorite movie or TV show starring Russell Crowe? What TV show has he been in? This guy says The Next 3 Days. That was a good movie. Like Gladiator. You gotta say your favorite movie or TV show starring Russell Crowe that isn't Gladiator. He didn't play the game right because Gladiator is the obvious answer. My second favorite answer would be I can't think of the name of the movie, but it's really good, and it's with Leo DiCaprio, and he's like in the CIA and shit. And I think he's Russell Crowe's his handler. Really good movie. Yeah, I'm off the rails right now, guys. Oh, this is sad when IMDb shows up in my most used. Russell, Les Miserables. Obviously, are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? LA Confidential, A Beautiful Mind. Meh, meh. Meh, meh, meh. What TV show was he in? The Nice Guys was cool, but I wouldn't put it as like his top movie. Robin Hood was dumb as shit. Body of Lies, that's it right there. Great movie. American Gangster. I think I've only seen that once. 310 to Yuma, I've only seen like once. I don't know that I've ever really watched A Beautiful Mind. It just seemed too boring. Virtuosity. You've never seen that. It might be worth a watch. TV series, Living with the Law. That had a 4.0. Man, he was in some TVs in the 80s. Romper Stomper? No. Police Rescue? One episode. Doesn't really have much of a TV career. He just went straight to the big. Well, he didn't really break out till like Gladiator, right? Beautiful Mind came out the same year. No, Gladiator 2000. Like LA Confidential 97 was. Oh, Virtuosity. I like kind of put him on. Oh, The Quick and the Dead. That was a good movie. I forgot he was in that. Yeah, that was a great movie. I'm throwing the word great around a little too freely there, but I really enjoyed it. The Quick and the Dead maybe is what got him on the map, and then another The Quick and the Dead and Virtuosity, and then L.A. Confidential. But obviously, Gladiator is what immortalized him. All right. See what's going on in the stock market. Ugh, AMD's kicking my ass. What is going on there, bros? I think Nvidia and all the other semiconductors are up. Why is AMD getting hammered? This might have stock news for me. Stock news. Stock news. Rejection of offer? What? Someone trying to buy AMD? I don't really, AMD long bearish tech, I don't really see why AMD just fell off a cliff. Fell off a cliff last week, guys. Guys and gals. Square peg. Tesla up $6. I think bonds were getting destroyed. E-mini S&P down half a buck, a quarter of a buck, flat. NASDAQ down 23. These were up. Coinbase continuing to pump up $17. Oh my goodness. Casca in the house. How are you doing, sister? Long time no see. Was thinking about you last week. What you been up to, Casca? Silver up. Ooh, shit. Silver up 28 cents, almost 28 bucks. What is going on with the metals? The precious metals are out of control. Gold 23.51. I know Jeremy Lafee bought a bunch of silver 2-3 years ago. I wonder if he's still holding on to that, because he was getting a lot of bad trades. He got bankrupt on. I mean, he didn't get. He got blown up on Tattooed Chef. I know he was investing heavily in Dropbox, and I put some videos out back then saying that was a dumb trade. Invest in Microsoft instead. They got OneDrive, and I know the enterprise business really well, and you basically get people are buying M365 like crazy, which gives you email, Exchange Online, Teams that you can use for voice and video, OneDrive that integrates with all that stuff plus SharePoint, and he's recommending Dropbox. Give me a break, bro. Dropbox, I mean, you kind of be probably flat. Oh, you actually might have done okay on that trade if you sold it up here. I don't know if he did, but I'm pretty sure he was recommending it. It was a wild ride. It was like 2020, 2021, so like around 25 bucks. So you were up, then you were down, and you were up, then you were down. The same old. Did you buy meme coins? Not with any real weight. Not with any real weight. I'll get into that though for you. I am kind of watching Snack. So I mean, Snack's gonna be uploaded. There's a few things I kind of want to get into, but I haven't. Load up on some Snack. I've been thinking about loading up on some Snack, loading up on some AI, loading up on some Mondo. Let's see. Anything interesting? Book? Oh, Book is cooking. Book is freaking cooking. 0.043. You want to buy Snack? It keeps fine. It's down. I want to buy some World Mobile Token. I mean, it's down quite a bit from its highs. So next, another. I was kind of waiting and hoping for like it to get below 0.001. But I mean, it's down 50% in the last 4 weeks. I like this entry right here around 0.0009. It's currently at 0.00126. Might not get back to that. World Mobile Token, how we looking? This thing's just been pumping out of control. I kind of want to see this cool off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I missed this one. Mother Chew. This one's out of control, guys. I kept going like, I'm not buying this. I'm not buying this. It keeps pumping. I'm going to, yep. I mean, I own some World Mobile Token. Nothing to, like if it were to 1000x, which obviously isn't going to happen, I'd be happy. Let's check in on Charlie. Charles in charge. They've gotten up to 193 liquidity and it just flatlined over the weekend. We'll see if that continues its upward swing this weekend. Too high still. Let's check in on. I don't know. Oh, I do own some of this. What's this worth? $400. I got that just validating mostly. Let's check in on Charlie. How's Charlie doing? Ooh, I see some hearts. JT must be in the house. How you doing, brother? Used to be could be Kurt or Ricky, but those guys stopped giving the hearts. I mean, Kurt just stopped showing up. It's too busy, too important. All right, Charlie, a little disappointing, down 7% today. Do I just get out of Charlie? I'm losing my faith. You gotta have faith. JT at the gym and killing it. What's going on Crypto Bubbles? Ladies, some meme coin out of nowhere. Probably on freaking Mid-Lady meme coin. I wonder what chain this is on. Is it really buy it on KuCoin? It's already on KuCoin. It's already on some exchanges. Me-Lady. I have like $100 I invested in Bork. I still have my Pepe, or I mean my small bag of Pepe. How's it doing? It's doing okay. Seen better days. I mean, it's not bad. Do you have your Pete? I did. Costco's trying to cap on JT with 5-pound dumbbells. That's a little messed up. Charles in charge. All right, Bitcoin pushing back above 72,000. You want to know how he's killing it? Bitcoin 72,100, Ethereum 3,600, Cardano almost 61, Celestia, $12.60, DYM, Stacks 344. Let's freaking go. Solana 181. Transactions are failing like crazy over there. No one seems to care. Invest Answer is always bragging about how much TPS they have. Well, apparently it's all bot spam. Arbitrage bot spam. I was reading an article. Basically, arbitragers could just spam the network and pay a couple $100 a day, and they just need to hit one transaction and earn tens of thousands. So, and I think like they have like one master node that's highly centralized. I mean, if you want to make money investing in Solana, I don't hate it. I've said numerous times the long-term viability of Solana, I have serious doubts about, but I can be wrong. I mean, I wish I'd have went all in Solana, even though I don't have faith in the chain. Wish I went all in Solana. 8, 16, 20, $30. And we have a 6x right now, bro. Said I went all in Cardano. Oh, not all in, but I bought more Cardano and I'm up. Paid 35 cents for it, so I'm not even up at 2x yet on that last bear market buy. I'm up more on my Bitcoin. I think I paid about 35,000, so that's a 2x. And I paid 1,600 for Ethereum. That's what I bought this bear market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano's my worst performing of those purchases. And then later, I bought Stacks at like $1.60, so that's up at 2x. And then I bought Celestia, which is actually down. So, I mean, 4 out of 5 up, but Cardano's in 4th place. See how meme coins are doing? Dogecoin at 2 cents. Uh-oh, we need to check. Cardano fall out of the top 10 yet? Oh, it's at number 10. And AVAX Toncoin. Are you kidding me? Toncoin's about $1 billion away. AVAX and Shibu can easily outpace and overtake Cardano. Charles in charge. Ugh, being difficult. Charles in charge. All right. Respond to an email really quick. Oh, I can't get that Charles in charge song out of my head. I hope you guys are happy. It's not even your fault, but I'm blaming you. Tesla going up pretty nice first thing this morning. Don't you want it to go down? Are you torn on whether you want it to go down or up? Nude. I can't believe trust is going up as fast as it's going right now because of the road taxi nude. Robo taxi. A lot of people are talking about how great FSD is. I don't think we're anywhere near robo taxis. Fully autonomous, at least 4 years away. At least. At the moment, just sitting here washing a I hate a set of waves coming in for the last 4 years. Kind of boring. Knowing how I was doing in the car with bro, I don't know driver. Oh, this says they're gonna unveil it in August. I feel like there's regulations and shit. Shardy B was tweeting, "Oh, self-driving is amazing. Like if you're a drunk, if you'd like to drive drunk, you need to get full self-driving." I'm like, dude, what kind of comment is that? First of all, if you're in the driver's seat of a car until years before laws get passed, full self-driving or not, you're getting charged with the DUI. You don't even have, the car doesn't even have to be driving. You can be parked on the side of the street, drunk, in the driver's seat of a car, and they can charge you with DUI. Where's Jason at? Back me up. And then on top of that, full self-driving still requires you to, you can't just let full self-driving go. You still have to have your hands on the wheel and shit. So do I think there's a future where you can get in the passenger side or in the back seat and let full self-driving drive your drunk ass home? Of course. But it's also likely going to be in the future you won't even own a car. It's just going to be, you're just going to take robo taxis for everything. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? FSV is just a toy. I disagree with you on that. Full self-driving is the future. Soon you won't even be allowed to drive. I guarantee you in the future you're going to need some kind of special license to drive. That's hard to get, like a gun carry permit. Because AI driving will be superior to man driving. And that's just the way it is. Bitch. SFD, self full driving. It is the future, but you're looking at least 10 years out. Yeah, I just said no chance in the future. I mean, in the near future. Oh, this is a bummer. 99-cent stores are closing. You think you and I are going to see those days? It's illegal to drive yourself? What? When will the self driving crashes stop? There's not really a lot of self driving crashes. And that, again, you're supposed to have your hands on the wheel, ready to take over. There's far less self driving crashes than there are human crashes. I think full self driving is already safer than human driving. Defeats the purpose? No, because it's still like it's not. There's different levels, level 1 through 5 or whatever, and it's still learning and getting to that point. So it's the edge use cases that it struggles with, like right weird right turn lanes and country roads. Take me home, shit like that. So, and they're building Dojo. I don't know. They already have Dojo, the supercomputer that's going to help crunch all that. And then in 20 years, it might be quantum computing doing all that shit. So it's basically going to know every crack and crevice on the earth as it's like if a new crack forms in the highway, quantum computing will probably know it the second it happens. So, I mean, it will be what's that shit? Majority Report or Minority Report, where all the cars are that is the future. Plus, um, what is it? HVALs, her horizontal, vertical, whatever, and landing. I mean, drones, self-flying drones are going to be a part of the future too. You're going to hop into a drone and it's going to take you, I don't know. There'll be drone subways, drone airways, like there's subways. I wonder, like how. Yeah, I don't know. All right, I tried to make the George. I was miserably trying to make the sound the cars make on George Hitchens. Hey, that was terrible. Now that we've gone completely off the rails, I mean, at least we were talking about Tesla. Dog with hat making a comeback. Pepe, yeah. Cock in you. Does George still talk about cock in you? Ha ha ha. Bork. Ooh, Bork had a little pump today. Fetch. How's Ondo doing? I don't know that I'm going to get into anything. There's things I want to get into. I mean, I've missed the boat on World Mobile Token, it appears like. I do want to get into AI. I do want to get into some RWAs, but I don't know whether I do or not. That's my time. You've been great. Bitcoin 72.3. I did, let's see, this doesn't happen very often. Good. Bitcoin said good morning, and this chart says, oh my god, 2 people. This says only 2 people in the house. 0 likes. Aw. Bitcoin closed 2 consecutive months over the upper Bollinger Band. Each time it has then doubled within 3 months before the next red candle. So I guess we're going to get $130,000 Bitcoin in the next 3 months, and then a fat red candle. Did it in 2013, it went up 200%. Did it in 2017, it went up. I mean, this looks like, oh, in 2 months it went up 94%, but it continued. 2021, I mean, are we set? Because it's early. So this is early, double top. It went up 105% in 3 months and then pulled back. It was a bloody summer and then it got back up to the top. So 1, 2, if we go to 130,000 in the next 3 months, is it time to sell? Maybe. Gotta watch it. This chart. Oh, I meant to do a title around this, but whatever. You guys see these posts if you're on Twitter. It's almost impossible not to see these posts. This guy turned $50 into 3 million on Solana meme coins. 2 weeks ago, I decided to gamble 5K Sol into meme coins. I saw some huge opportunities. This is the results. Let me show you how I did it. Keep reading and thank me later. He turned 5K into 240. I opened Delta, my favorite portfolio tracker. I inserted random numbers. I jumped to the percentage to make it look legit, and I took a screenshot of the fake portfolio. Chill some free stuff on Telegram. Chill, get people to buy your course. So just make it up. Get people to buy your course. These are, yeah, of course they're lies. Twitter is full of such garbage. ETH is too expensive to transact. Yeah, but it's still a good investment. A lot of people are talking about Base. All about that Base. A lot of Cardano people seem to be pro Base, including Dan and I think Steak with Pride. Apparently a Base airdrop's coming. I don't know. I feel like that could, I don't know, that could be some heat that Coinbase might not want with the SEC if they have their own coin. Will today's solar eclipse affect Bitcoin's price? Are you in a location to see the eclipse? I am not. ETH is too expensive, but it's a good investment. BlackRock RWA's fund over there. It's the blue chip layer 1, and like big money don't care if you're sending $1 billion or hundreds of $1 million. If they got to pay $50 in gas, or if it's like they probably have programs that sit there and monitor it and say, okay, gas is cheap, send it now. They're probably not. And how expensive is it really? The last time I checked, it wasn't that bad with the upgrades. And the thing that was killing gas prices in the past were all these NFT drops and sells and shit. Ethereum gas fees were hitting $1, $2, $3, $4, $5,000 at times during all that stuff. I don't really think that's a thing anymore. Charles in charge. I cannot get that song out of my head. I kind of want to see what kind of transaction I can do. Oh, we can just see. When they put in like Paraguays and shit, I just want a dollar amount. $27 to do a swap. NFT sell 46, bridging $9. Oh, that's pretty good. I mean, it's a pretty good site, not pretty good prices. But I mean, it's $27 to do a swap. Ethereum's not really meant for doing a $100 swap. Well, because of gas prices. So full of issues. BTC slow and often expensive. ADA founder is a shit poster on X. I don't know that I agree that Charles Haskinson is a shit poster on X, but well, let's see. You know, when we get decentralized treasury fully running, you dreps. Maybe he is a shit poster. Should give ADA well funding for a dedicated marketing team. The well is a beast. What's a drep? Is that how the cool kids say derp now? LenFi, meh. Axo Trade, meh. USDM, meh. Newcastle, never heard of it. Indian Pro Boxing League? Oh my goodness. I mean, there's a lot of Indians. Where's Rhea at when you need him? Web3 is a joke. It looks like a small ring. Splash Protocol is one of the advanced high throughput trading platforms. Yeah, we need another trading platform, another AMM. OptimFi is kicking up something. Advanced yield aggregation. High throughput through Leviathan. Synthetic protocol. Yeah, SEC loves synthetics. And we already have one, Indigo. Another USD synthetic. Oh, they're looking to do like Matic and Sol-P. Inverse Solana. You can short. This one looks interesting. Looks like they're going to do long and short. You can short with fund rate. What does 15% PA mean? Cornucopias, the largest, most ambitious metaverse game. Big fat meh. Smart Place X is a social fi project launching on Cardano soon. What about Crypto Crows? Let's see, the Cardano governance roadmap. The Chang hard fork. Q2, Q3. Oh, there's a DREP program. Oh, DREP. I was thinking he was calling people derps. I'm the derp. Another SocialFi, Zesh app. That's not Crypto Crow. Indigo Protocol is bridging their V2 this month, which introduces buy to burn that I believe will help enhance the stability of pegged assets. Interesting. One of Cardano's biggest projects, Ding, whatever, NFT announcement, blah, blah. Fluid goes cross-chain. Endmaker, this is an RWA. It's hard to pick. Invested into working on RWA. Speaking of RWA, Cardano wallets are getting better and better. I've recently fallen in love with Begin Wallet. Never heard of it. I don't know about their wallets getting better and better. Lace hasn't seemed like they've done shit for a while. Yeah, loading. That's freaking great. Snapcoin ADA, blah, blah. Pledge.io is bringing crowdfunding to Cardano. Cool. Whimsy Estates, a fractionalized real estate protocol building on Cardano. I think we've looked at that or one. Mind-blowing cool new tool for Cardano traders. Oh, okay. Pandora is a new NFT marketplace. Who cares? Project New. Lame. Black Finance. Lame. How is PBX doing? Oh, Velez's PBX. Didn't show up in the top 50. Kopi. What's going on here? Is my internet working? Am I still live? Yeah, is Tap Tools having an issue? There's Cardano. Is this a Cardano issue? Is this an internet issue? All right, Kopi. They got a sex listing they pumped on the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. PBX doing okay. All right, Bitcoin 71,805, cooling off a little bit. Coinbase still up 12 bucks. How am I doing on my trade? Oh, I'm down money on this thing still. Man, this has been a rough trade. I'm down like $86. No, $62. $90. Yeah, man. 39 days to go. AMD, I'm down $65. All I do is lose. I just stuck my... No, I'm not even going to finish that. Let's just say I just pulled an Al Bundy. All right. Let's see how we're doing. 3 people in the house. 0 likes. You got AMD. It's just I just put on a put spread. Yeah, I just put on a put spread. Nothing crazy. It's in the money. I didn't buy shares. I still don't know why AMD stock is down so much. Let's see. Thursday dropping by more than 8% as uncertainty over interest rate cuts and reassessment of the chip maker's outlook and valuation. When's their earnings? Did they already have them or something? 5/7, a month away. Just trying to go green. We didn't look at bonds. Bonds at 117. Bonds go down, rates go up. Bonds have been going down, so I don't think rate cuts are happening. 7:16 a.m. Feel like I've been streaming for 12 hours straight. Rick McCracken saving these in case of nuclear war. He's got beer caps in there. This must be a different set of wastelands in Fallout because it's about soda pop caps. Are beer caps worth more? He likes unsalted mixed nuts. You can learn a lot from people's pictures. Ada Erg on his license plate. Is that a Tesla? You can. What state is that? You can't make it out. But what state has that customized license plate? I don't think that's a Tesla. That might be a Kia. I'm getting Kia vibes, Hyundai vibes. But Rick McCracken likes mixed nuts. So judgy? No. He would have called me nosy, sure. How was I judgy there? I was judging that he likes mixed. I wasn't judging. I was making a joke that he likes mixed nuts. You know, these nuts. And mine are salty. Mine are salty and unmixed. Shake your head, Casca. I moved some Soul into ETH this morning. I'm driving. He just moved ETH into Soul like last week, and I thought that was stupid. And I said as much on stream. I'm like, why would you sell your ETH for Soul right now? Now he's selling it back. Here's my take. Who cares? Breakout City. Black seed oil. When you're squad. Oh, I thought these were going to come out this white. Oh no, I want to hear this because I love Tears for Fears. Everybody wants that. Here comes the copyright strike, but what are you going to do? I've got to hear this. Everybody Wants to Rule the World is in my top 80s. One of my, and I didn't even really like it when I was younger. But I also didn't like, When Doves Cry. My software is not working. Everybody. Oh, that is dope. I wonder if it's going to be enough to get a copyright strike. That is freaking sick as hell, guys. That's getting a heart. That's getting a retweet. Ada is about to have the most viral meme token in the space. Meme season when I'm buying. This is a bullshit. China goes big on Bitcoin. 250 billion Southern Fund has reportedly applied to launch spot Bitcoin. Oh, speaking of the movie. Oh no, this is what's the name of this movie? Great movie. 93-ish. Matt Damon, Marky Mark, Jack Nicholson. Great movie. This is the one where he says maybe, maybe not, maybe go F yourself. Where's Ricky? I know he knows the name of this. I can't think of it. Ricky not here anymore. Oh, The Departed. It's right there in the tweet. That's how stupid I am. Passengers per second is the only metric that matters. What movie hits you hard every time? What movie is this? Is that Leonardo DiCaprio? Something big is coming to Cardano? Yeah, sure. Stumbled on the easiest way to make your first 10K at crypto. All you need is a PC phone in 30 minutes. Cooked up a guide. Yeah, okay. What meme coin should I ape into? Okay. Big pay yesterday. I hate these engagement tweets. Like, oh, I'm thinking about Cardano. Should I? Psh, bitch, you ain't thinking about. You just want people to interact. It's desperate. Massive container ship loses power near NYC Varanto Bridge. What is going on that container ships are losing power? Is this the new form of terrorism? Ricky ain't buying shit. Ricky's a little bitch. He says he bought some like Pepe and Sheeb. He's probably lying. Happy Eclipse Day. Considering jumping from Solana to Cardano. Here's a good place to start. I don't think anyone's looking to go from Solana to Cardano. Look at invest answers. 11,000% the transaction. Solana, yeah. 19,000% higher deck. It's all bots, bro. Arbitrage. 1,200% higher TVO, 16% higher stablecoin, 206% of the Twitter following Cardano being around 3 times longer, 40 parts of the Dow, and 88 more returns since 2021. Charles, you are delusional. Cardano is either on the brink of death or about to shock a lot of people. I don't think Cardano's on the brink of death. Solana's the flavor, man. People are there's so I'm not trying to totally shit on Solana. Solana has some real use cases over there. I guess Jupiter. I don't really know that I have any faith in Helium being a real deep in play, like for example World Mobile Token. And I've been in Helium since before they went to Solana. And I'm like, I was just in it to mine and earn, and its potential. But I don't know that they've actually are doing any real world shit over there. What else do they have? This what deep end does Solana have? Render? I mean, render is hot, but is anyone actually rendering? Is anyone actually using render? And we were talking render in the early days before they were Solana again, I think. Tom is just no, I'm just Tom is a big time hater. No, I'm just spitting facts. Ricky's a bitch. Ricky's a little bitch. Can't believe a word that comes out of his mouth. He probably owns IO.net. Jason in the house. I had a question for you, Jason. Can you get a DUI just by sitting in a parked car? Pretty sure the answer is yes. IO.net launched last week, didn't it? Aren't you already up big on it? Oh, that's a salon. That's not a D-pin though, is it? Oh yeah, it's GPU. Is this on Solana? This looks so fake. This looks like a ripoff of just GPU on Ethereum, which is probably fake too. I don't want to. It's not out yet. I don't want to authorize shit, bro. I'm not logging into this Web2 bullshit. I'm trying to get in on the airdrop. Yeah, you're an airdrop whore. You love them airdrops. There was a recent Cosmos airdrop that you had to go get, and I knew all I had to do was go get it, but I didn't. Because first of all, I don't trust. I'm scared to click on links. Whatever happened with my weird ass airdrop over on that shit on those meme coins, the unicorns or whatever, Farnswoggle. You've been I've been testing Atrium just to get an airdrop. I told you I'm not a fan. I don't understand why you would put your stake data in a smart contract to do something that you can natively do with Lace. All about that Lace. Later for Tom's Eclipse stream. I don't even get the Eclipse. Why would I stream it? It is only 7:28. I feel like I shouldn't say that word. I feel like I've been streaming. The Atrium site is sick. Well, I mean, it can be sick. I still don't understand the long-term viability of why you would use this project. So sick you can't even find it. Linktree. Why do you stream anything? That's a good question. Oh, we finally got a couple likes. I don't know why I stream. Lately, I don't know why I stream. Unable to connect wallet. Unable to connect wallet. Cool, bro. Use testnet. I'm over it already. I'm over it, Jason. ETH has actually been setting up for weeks. But you traded out of it last week, bro. My scheduled events coming up. Gary Cardone interview. Nice. Charles Hoskinson interview. Velez was telling me that Charles was ignoring old Crypto Crow. Rare Evo Founders meeting. Man, he's got a busy week. It is a bit concerning when the founder of the third largest app by TVL on Cardano feels this way. The centralized theater effing joke of blockchain with zero basic infrastructure to protect users, oracles, blah blah. This sound come build on a Cardano. And what's this guy pissed off about? I have 1,700 ADA to invest in one CNT. What should I put it in? IAG, LinFi? Should IOG host an Oracle workshop for Cardano? Who gives a shit? I'll say yes, sure. Share a scene of someone smiling. Man. She used to wake the PP up in the morning. Desperado. One of the greatest movies of all time. Do you think ADHD is a who? 30 million Sol or 10 ADA? I don't even understand. Did I watch WrestleMania last night? What kind of dumbass question is that? Got any more dumbass questions to ask? And who is getting on planes these days? They're all falling apart at the seams or catching on fire. windows blowing out, doors flying off. Like, what is going on with the FAA and Boeing and all this shit? Or is it just like all highlighted gaslighting bullshit? You've asked this question before. You have asked this question before, Ricky. Do you have an original? It was just like 2 weeks ago we did this. I told you I liked Roddy Piper was up there. I like Randy Macho. I can't do it. Hey brother, Randy Macho Man Savage. I had some. I like the Hulk, Jimmy Superfly Snuka. I like the British Bulldogs. There was a lot, man. I would say probably Macho Man. Probably. Why is that an LOL? Snap into a Slim Jim. It's either Randy Savage or Randy Macho Man Savage, Randy Savage or Randy Macho Man Savage. You can't do the whole thing. I didn't realize there was a. Now who's Judgy Casca? Iron Sheik. Oh, Jason, you watch It's Always Sunny. Do you ever see the episode where they wrestle for the troops and Rickety Cricket comes out as like the Iron Sheik blowing sand in people's faces and shit? Goddamn, that episode has got to be top 5. That's like saying Scott Razor, Raymond Holly. I don't even know who that is. Randy Macho Man Savage. I feel like that's fine to do that. Oh yeah. Macho Man Randy. Is it you're supposed to say Macho Man Randy Savage? Oh, is that so? I need to say, if I were to say Macho Man Randy Savage, it's okay. Oh yeah, snap into it. I can't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Snap into a Slim Jim. Oh yeah. That hurts my throat, bros. All right, Bitcoin's losing it. Tom, I missed my life calling and being an impressionist. I'm sure that's what you meant to finish the sentence with. I'm pretty sure. No, we had this conversation. It was 2, 3. I'm not gonna go check the archives. I'm not gonna go check the archives. But I know we've talked about it before. No, I was in the last 2 months, I would say. What's the greatest mirror scene you've ever seen? This is what Twitter is now. What is that from? That was probably a copyright strike. Post last photo of your pet on your phone. My last pet photo was Polaroid. I had to have that shit. I had to take that shit to Walgreens and have them develop it. Last time I owned a dog. NCAA Men's Championship tonight. No one cares. I think more people probably watch the women's than will watch the men's. 88 million. Let's see. Texas defensive tackle was arrested early this morning and charged with DWI. What a dumbass. Get an Uber, bro. I don't get it. I've never had the urge to get drunk and drive. Well, I don't know that this guy has money yet. How do you know this guy has money? He's a defensive tackle on a college team. I don't know that he's flush with cash. I don't know. Is he getting paid by the whatchamacallit? How much would he be making? He can definitely afford an if you can afford to drink, you can afford an Uber. Um I won't say that I've never had the urge to drink and drive, but today you've got to just like you've got to factor that in. You're gonna Uber. Or don't you know what I'm saying? Actually, Jason, dude, you're talking about Rasheed Rice had 10 grams of weed. That's a joke in Cali and Texas. No, it's just a misdemeanor. Someone was posted that it was a felony and it's not. You can't believe everything on Twitter. It's just a misdemeanor. And good luck proving it was even his. There's no way to prove whose it was. And why would he not take that with him? This is basically a 20-year gap. Oh, life expectancy. Average age of death. Holy shit, bro. Maybe I need to stay in California. I was thinking about moving back to the Midwest. I'm going to die 20 years younger. Florida ready to legalize. Why isn't the United States flirting with legalizing it? Alternating caffeine and ephedrine is a winning strategy. How do you even get ephedrine anymore? That used to be the fat loss stack right there. One caffeine, one ephedrine, and a grapefruit. Drink it with grapefruit, the ECA, and aspirin. An aspirin. You're gonna stream Ben Shapiro versus Candace Owens? I don't even know who Candace Owens is. Will WMT become the first major CNT listed on? Isn't Ajax already listed on Binance? Does that not count? Oh, Ajax doesn't count because it's the ERC20. Lame. Imagine the timeline when ADA hits a buck. Okay. Tesla semi passing 2 diesels like it's nothing. I mean, how do we know this thing's not sped up? I mean, it looks like it's sped up. I mean, it is passing them like it's nothing. That's weird that the driver's seat's kind of like in the middle. Is this not designed to have... Oh, look at him. This guy can't control his... Look at him swerve, bro. He almost went outside the... Looks like a big old guy, too. Is he wearing a turban? One of those... What are them things called? Or is that a beard? Like, what's going on here? Was that a tank? Walmart truck. A tank? He's going uphill too. That's the impressive part. I think he's going uphill. I mean, he could be going downhill. It's just the angle of the camera. We got an Audi. Dude almost took the Audi off the Your team, Ben Shapiro. You can't wait. Went from 79% battery to 13 on that pass. Oh, what's going on? What the hell, bro?
Cut off, but you're still looking at your dreams.
You guys trying to
reviewing
stunt?
it every day and say to yourself, it's not over.
That is pretty
until
crazy right
I
there.
win.
Was he trying to stop on purpose, or was he stunting and this guy fucking wanted to murder him? He looks like he's in the air. Oh, he is trying to slow down, I think. This is incredulous.
Nobody believes in you. You lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you still
This guy's a bit of
looking
an
at your
asshole.
dreams, reviewing it every day and say to yourself, it's not over until nobody believes in you. You lost again and
This video is from a video game. Are you kidding me?
but you're still looking at your dreams.
Trolled. Great show, by the way. 10 on Peacock if you haven't seen it. Great freaking show. Great. Hilarious. It's one of the best shows of the year. Have you heard of Buck Fever? Yeah, of course I have. Of course I've heard of Buck Fever, Ricky. What kind of a dumbass question is that? Like, why are you asking me? I grew up on a farm in Kansas. Of course I've heard of Buck Fever. Have I ever had it? I mean, yeah. I don't like shooting animals. I don't like hunting. I didn't know what buck fever was. I just looked it up. But I didn't know what it was. I know what it is now that I read it. Yeah, I have buck fever. I don't like shooting deer. I'm sad when Bambi gets shot. I don't like killing. Does that make me a vagina? There's clips. There's clips of people with buck fever. What is wrong with you? That you're watching buck fever videos.
I can't stop shaking.
Is he
I gotta call my dad.
is he having an orgasm because he just killed a deer? Is this guy a sociopath? Or did he freeze up because he couldn't shoot it? What the hell
Touch
is...
my screen? See, no. He's big though.
Dude, that's making me shiver.
Like a little kid.
F the snow? They both have buck fever.
I'm just cold.
Oh. They're doing it with bow and arrow.
Yeah, I see that. This is split.
What's he strapped to? The tree? There's some weird shit, bro. This better not show up on my timeline now. This guy, 6 minutes of this guy getting buck fever? I don't want to... Oh, Facebook? Give me a break. Kid can't stop shaking after taking a shot? The hell is this shit? Facebook again? Okay, this is some weird shit, Ricky. Bitcoin 71.3 continuing to... Is it going to back test back down? Is it going to get back into the wedge? Is the bridge over? Coinbase now only up $10. AMD up 55 cents. Let's go bear hunting. I don't want to kill bears. Bears are cute. I wonder if he's scared. I mean, I'd be scared shitless. I wouldn't be scared of that, but Mama Bear can climb that fucking tree. Wouldn't you be? I would feel like I'd have to pet the bear. You're not gonna laugh when he swipes and takes your face off. What's that movie where Leo got messed up by a bear? That's not even a. Is that a cub or is that a big bear? Ooh, who's that sexy mofo? Oh, were they reverent? Yeah, you're not gonna be laughing when this bear goes reverent on your face. Oh, I forgot to do this live chat shit. You'd shit your pants? I don't know that I'd shit my pants. I'm one of those, when it comes to flight or fight, I'm definitely a fight guy. Even if I know I can't win. I'm a stand your ground, F it, go down swinging, go down dead. That was a grizzly, that dude would have been dead. Probably. Bears just want to have fun too. Atrium profile. Here's your boy Big Pay that Jason be topping off every morning. 7:50 a.m. Ivan on Tech. Oh, that's a big time YouTuber. I think Big Pay and his team at Atrium Lab will change the whole game for Cardano. Haven't seen any project come close to this impact. I don't get Atrium, bro. Is this not just an app that allows you to stake your ADA on multiple validators? Isn't that all that is? Check out these nuts. You don't know what it's like to be a tough guy like me? Yeah, I mean, duh. Get the free shit. Whatever. Didn't Kyler Murray get traded to like the Vikings? No, he's still on the Cardinals. Thought there were. Oh, the draft is in like next week, bro. I think, or 2 weeks. 2.5 weeks. I think it's on 4/25. I can't wait. April 25th. I'll probably be in bed by the time the Chiefs pick. How'd my appointment go? They raised my blood pressure. They told me to double my blood pressure medicine. And then I'm worried about my creatine bun creatine. So they told me to stop taking creatine for 3 weeks. Can increase your blood levels of creatine beyond the normal ranges. Careful mixing that grapefruit. Yeah, bro. I don't. Grapefruit is very dangerous. I don't drink grapefruit. I used to drink grape. So when I was on Soma and Norco, I would drink that shit with grapefruit juice just to get a double whammy in the morning on an empty stomach. It was one of the best feelings in the world. How the eclipse should look. My parents should be able to get a good look at it. It's going to be another sunny day in California for me, Ricky, and Jason. That's some trailer trash. Yeah, it only lasts like 10 minutes, but oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Which band or artist do you regret you'll never be able to see live? Oh, so many. So many. I've only been to a handful of concerts. I was never really a big concert guy, but Tool was amazing. Did you have a hard time quitting your drinking? Not really. Nope. Alcohol was always a love-hate relationship. I was never really like felt like I had to. I mean, there were times where I looked forward to having the rum and cokes, but quitting that's wasn't very hard at all. Quitting the Norco and Soma was hard. Quitting weed was super easy. Super easy. Longer than coffee. Well, when you're on Norco and Soma, you can go for hours. Sista. And you have a porn addiction. Casca coming in hot. Name the movie. I don't think this is a movie I saw. Excalibur, I never saw that shit. Probably Jason's favorite movie. What Gemini posting? What crypto are you buying today? Don't say WIF or ADA. Well, you can't buy either on your platform. Oscar needs a drunken soundbite. Jason hating? No, Jason spitting facts. What's the best thing you watched this weekend? I mostly just watched The Shield. Can I get a good morning for your birthday? That was yesterday. It was sick. I never saw it. I wasn't a nerd. They do successful cloud seeding in Dubai? I did not know that. Andrew McCarthy. 7:58 a.m. guys and gals. Ugh, it's Monday, bro. Monday morning. Unlike Jason, I gotta go to work. Jason gets to walk around in his skeezies, his Yeezys, his skeezers all day. I'm a nerd. Are you an? Yeah, I'm a nerd. Jason gets to walk around in his Yeezys all day, soak in the sun around Hollyweird, walk his dog, enjoy his new kitchen, and try and get airdrops. I, on the other hand, have to go to the weekly grind to pay that monthly nut. Ricky's probably out there driving a truck, trying to get that money for the rent. Kitchen looks thumbs up. Moved 4 BTC over to ETH. Uh-oh. Should I sell my Bitcoin for it? This guy is bullish AF Ethereum right now. All right, Bitcoin moving back up, 61.6. Paid 9 grand. Wait, you paid 9 grand and then it got water damage, didn't it? You didn't have to pay 9 grand the last to get it redone? You didn't have to pay, you paid 9 grand the first time and then you had to have it redone. Did you have it redone exactly the same? The first time you paid 20K, you had to come out of pocket the second time too? Or because you wanted to do some extra shit? You put a bidet in your kitchen? You have a water faucet over your stove? That's when you made it in life. When you can we know you got quote for 70K or whatever, but the Nvidia guy paid for it. So where's this 9 grand coming from? Where's the second 9 grand coming from? Hurry up, Jason. Hold me up here. He's probably laying in bed typing with his thumbs. Bitcoin pushing 72. We got a contractor to do it all for 9. Yeah, but I thought the Nvidia guy paid for it. Man. Did they do good work? Did you get 9K work or did you feel like you got 70K work? Work. The remediation was another 6. So you paid 15K? You're just spitting out numbers like crazy, bro. I don't know what's going on here. You're all over the place. I hope you take a moment to enjoy the eclipse. Most of us don't get to see it. Nvidia dude paid up 21K. So you had to come out of pocket? Or wait. Oh, dude, your numbers don't add up. You got someone to do it for 9, and then another 6K in remediation. That's 15K. So did you pocket 6K? He just sent you the money and then you just found someone else to do it? Oh, Airbnb and food. That makes sense. Oh. All right, everyone. That's my time. You've been great. Have a great, wonderful Monday. You sent the dude the bill.